My family and friends, I will show you how to do it yourself a face mask from the dollar store or Walmart without any sewing. So what you need is just the cloth and rubber band. But before I'll show you my video, please don't forget to subscribe over here, like and comment. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll get notified in my next video. Most of us just love to complain. I cannot do that. I cannot do this because there's none in the market. Well, sometimes we need to improvise ourselves. We need to find what we have at home, like handkerchief or cloth or paper towel, so we can get the job done. And my family and friends, here's what I did. Family and friends, this is how you do it yourself. Face mask, okay? If you cannot buy any face mask in the market, you just have to improvise it and do it yourself. So, what do you need? You need a handkerchief and a rubber band or elastic. A rubber band if you don't have any elastic. If you have any elastic, the better. But since this is temporary, and if you have a handkerchief, you can wash it over and over. So fold it half. Like that. Fold it into another half. And then put elastic in the other side. Even it, make sure it's right, and then just insert this side to this side, and here you have your face mask, and it's cotton. See, that's another face mask. And if the handkerchief is too short for you, you can do it like this. Okay? You need to be a little bit more creative so you can have a face mask that you can reuse it over and over, because you can wash it at night like that. Fold it and then insert a rubber band. Or you can use a blue rubber band if you are picky on colors. So, and here you insert this to the side, and here you go. You have your face mask. And put this in your ear. See? And I don't have any, people have too many excuses. Cut a cloth, whatever cloth you like, whatever undershirt, or any cotton you have, and then do the same thing. You need to measure it. That's right for you. You can cut it bigger than your handkerchief. It depends on, just like that. And then just fold it, insert in the other side. And there you have it. You have a face mask. And this is not too hot too because it's cotton. So you can do whatever you like. You can, so no more excuses, right? Here guys, here's my do-it-yourself face mask using a cloth. Extra cloth you have there. You can do it without any sewing, just a cloth and rubber band. If you have elastic, it's better, but if it's cloth, you can wash it over and over, or just cloth and rubber band. So watch my video. You can do it yourself without any more excuses. Here you go, another color of my do-it-yourself face mask. No sewing involved. It's just your handkerchief or another cloth and a rubber band. So here we go. I have my face mask without any sewing at all. 2, just handkerchief, any kind of cloth and a rubber band.